Okay, so I have to fix my desk. There's stuff on here that isn't normally here, but a lot of it's normally here. So I got these dividers at an estate sale. These ones right here, thinking they would be a good place to put stuff. And they are, but it's not super effective because only the things at the very front work. This green thing at the top works really well because you can put stuff into it. I've had it in it there all the time. I think it's probably going to stay. This remote control is good for the first 2 layers, and then the back layer isn't full, so it doesn't actually work. I feel like I'm missing some space along here where I could put some storage. So I bought this paint spinner because I use a lot of paint, as you can see, but I don't really have any place for paint. I bought this divided container and that divided container, and so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to work on this kind of area, this area, and then put the new containers in. Oh, and before I kind of do things, this is my distress paint storage system, my India inks in the back, and my acrylic paint storage system. And this container is going to hold 28 paints, so I think it should hold the 20 that I use the absolute most. And I think that'll really help. It can sit on top of my desk. I have to have things available to me that I use all the time. Okay, just wanted to give you a little update where we're at. That chair accumulates things. I have turned my desks so they run along that wall. I bought a Brother Scan and Cut. I'm super excited about that. I feel like my cubes are operating effectively. This side stays a mess, so I have to figure out what to do about that. Some of the shelves are amazing. This shelf has been stable for years. It holds my sandpaper, my waxes, things like that. That area is pretty good. It just collects junk. So I am still a work in progress. Okay, one other thing I would like to figure out is I have this giant bag that is quite handy for keeping stuff. But I also have these little containers that I could maybe use to help organize things so I don't have to carry the giant bag around. So I'm going to be working on that today too. And I moved the other cart. I have 2 carts in my office now. There's Sammy the dog. She's a good helper. Okay, so this is my desk layout now. I don't know if I can count this as my desk, but this is a Brother Scan and Cut. And those are boxes of dies. Then I have this extra table, which is awesome because I need flat places. That's a package from my friend, and then some of my journals. I had Johnny put the drawers from the left-hand one close to the right-hand one's drawer, so I can sit in my chair and just reach over. My little paint spinner's amazing. I got a whole bunch of organization stuff for my desktop. If you want to know what some of those things are, I'll have them in the description. And some of them are my hand-painted items, which is awesome. And then I have my Ikea calyxes that I can reach super easily. Don't look under my desk. There's things under there. Everything falls under there. So that is my desk reorg. Not super neat, but very effective. Hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobsen, Artsy Fartsy Life.